Introducing the Philips Hue Smart Dimmer Switch with Remote. This convenient device allows anyone in your home, including kids and guests, to easily control your Hue lights with the touch of a button. No need for the Hue app or a voice device, simply use the dimmer switch. With the dimmer switch, you can turn your lights on or off, dim or brighten them, and even toggle between 4 of your favorite light scenes. It also offers the perfect light based on the time of day, helping you tune your light to your circadian rhythm. Setting up the dimmer switch is a breeze. Mount it to the wall with the included adhesive, attach it to a metal surface with the magnetic backing, or remove it from the plate to use it as a remote. Then, follow the prompts in the Hue app to connect the switch to your Hue Bridge. Personalize your light settings in the Hue app by selecting the lights you want to control with the dimmer switch. It's that simple. The dimmer switch is battery-powered and comes with a long-lasting battery that has a minimum lifetime of 3 years. Its versatile design allows you to place it anywhere in your home. Plus, the magnetic backing allows you to attach it to your refrigerator or other metal surfaces. Please note that a Hue Bridge is required to connect the dimmer switch to your Hue setup. The bridge unlocks the full power of Hue smart home lighting, including features like multiple room control, out-of-home control, automations, and more. And don't worry about straining your Wi-Fi, the bridge ensures reliable and secure connectivity. Upgrade your Hue lighting experience with the Philips Hue Smart Dimmer Switch with Remote. Get yours today using the short link provided in the description.